Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this sitting beside me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible, soon-to-be twin-turbo car. This is another quick, fast, easy, I should say, unboxing video. This is not a new part. This is actually a resurfaced, a reconditioned part for me. I picked up off of one of the Facebook trade groups. I was looking for quick backstory here. My car was an automatic. I manual swapped it 2 years ago with a NA transmission. Just so you know, NA transmissions, twin turbo transmissions, the internals are the same. Differences are the bell housings, which will cause problems with twin turbo clutches are different from NA clutches. So I right now have a factory whatever came with my kit that I just slammed in it very cheaply. I got it from a lovely guy, or I was gonna say lovely, a good gentleman up in Madison, Wisconsin. He was actually from Green Bay. Come down a couple hours to meet me. I drove up a couple hours to go get him and got the transmission. That being said, it came with a flywheel and a clutch. I have been using those since. They are completely, I know the flywheel is factory. Clutch, I'm assuming, I don't know. I just threw it in the car to have fun, and we'll change it later. That being said, since I am going twin turbo, I need a better clutch. I need a twin turbo clutch setup, which is slightly bigger. So, clutch is different, need a flywheel. That being said, you cannot get OEM flywheels anymore from Nissan. I tried ordering them from Z1, Concept Z, no one sells them, no one makes them. Lots of guys go for the lightweight flywheel because the factory one is 22 pounds and the lightweight ones are 11, which is great if you're drag racing, autocrossing a lot, or being track competition. I am a street car, autocross car. That being said, I actually want to try to drive mine like Fridays to work, nice weather days, go out to dinner with my wife. So the car can't be too brutal on me or on her, for that fact. So therefore, the clutch, I decided to go with an OEM clutch, which means I needed to source a used OEM clutch, and which I did. Let me get that dug up here real fast. I ended up getting, I would show you before pictures. Hang on, guys. Oh, yeah. Here's the clutch. Oh! And I got it resurfaced. Let me just lay it down here because it weighs a shit pile. It's 22 pounds. Pardon the language, everybody. So here's the clutch. Not clutch, sorry, the flywheel. I resurfaced it. I kind of wish I would have shown you guys. I forgot how many thousandths they took off. They actually, I'm looking at my bill. Didn't call me. Didn't tell me. I'm assuming it's a few thousandths, enough to get the surface good enough on here. As you can see, look at the hatch pattern across it. That should be good enough. Only concern is there's a little bit of, let's take a look at this. Nick right there, but that won't be in the contact patch, nor is that. But the surface itself is cleaned up remarkably. This is a factory one, not a new one. That being said, resurfacing flywheels, a relatively inexpensive procedure. I do not have the ability because I don't have a machine shop. So I sent it out. Took it about a week to get done. Dropped it off. Got it back. That being said, I think I'm great. I will hopefully edit a photo in what this thing looked like beforehand. It was terrible for the hot spots. But I got to give a shout out to the gentleman who sold it to me because I was looking. I wasn't asking. I was just actively paying attention on the trade groups for an OEM flywheel here. This is not a cheap proposition because these are kind of hard to find. Just so you guys know, I paid in excess of 250 bucks of this stupid thing. So I am at least $300 into this thing once you get it resurfaced. Just give everyone an idea. Yes, you can buy a lightweight one. Some guys like it. That's not me. So yeah, that's what this video is. It's just saying, hey, I got my flywheel in. It's been resurfaced. I'm going to put it box it back up. I might give it a light coat of oil for right now for keeping it clean. And then once it's ready to go on for the clutch, wipe it off with brake clean to get that surface cleaned up. Because I don't know how soon I can get this onto the car. That and, boy, I think I'm going to end up having, I just realized I need to go buy bolts. Shoot. You get to see this in real time that I need to go buy, because I don't think I'll be able to use the NA flywheel bolts to the crank. I will have to get new ones because they'll probably be longer. I'm guessing they're longer. I know the flywheel is bigger. Because when I do this swap, the transmission's coming out of the car, and I need to grind off. You can use an NA transmission on a twin turbo with a twin turbo flywheel and clutch package. Only modification you need to do, there is some grinding you need to do on the interior of the bell housing to get clearance. And then you have to shim the starter out to get it clearance, because it's a little bit bigger. The starter's still close, so if you leave it in, you got to shim it out a little bit. I don't think anyone makes any shimming. I think I'm just going to use some washers just to pop it off, just ever so lightly. I may take a look at it when I get the old one off, look at this new one, and then see what the dimensional differences are to give an idea on what's going on. So once again, shout out to the guy who sold me this stuff. Thank you very much. I'm happy with the product. Got it cleaned up once again, so eventually it will go into my car and get abused eventually. So nice quick video, guys. Take care. Please like and subscribe. Follow more stuff for me, because I will be documenting, because I had another gentleman ask me if I'm going to be documenting the whole twin turbo swap. Yes I am. Step by step. If you see any of my other videos for dismantling that parts car, I wish I would have done the whole thing, but I was just in a hurry and didn't do it, and I actually didn't have a GoPro at the time. Got in a hurry and didn't do it. This time around, I will be, when I take my car here, so the fenders, hood, all of it's going to come off, taking that motor out, putting this motor in. The steps process will be probably building this motor up off to the side here beforehand, and then doing it. So this whole thing is going to be a long, I won't say arduous process, but slow for me, because I can only do it in the mornings or evenings when I'm not at work, when I don't have family activities. So everyone, take care, and please like and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.